YouTube. So, my name is Nicholas, and this is my new project. I got it for $700. We're gonna make this a track vehicle / street. A little fun. It's a no start. No start with a nice leaky roof and a very questionable seat, as well as I think this is
the first. They don't even make this fucking formula no more. That was the golden formula right there.
The outside of it, it is a 4.6. It's a 98. It's not the 5.0. It's fine, but it's stick shift. Come check it out. Come check out this stick shift. It's 5-speed. Little 5-speed.
Tons of torque, man.
At the moment, it doesn't start at all. We suspect that it's a starter.
Starter's in the worst place on this, yo.
It has really bad
starter
clear.
is on the worst place, yo.
It has the worst clear coat in the market. Sun fade all the way down.
How long has it been parked?
It is an 86,000 mile vehicle. No start at all. I've been trying to start it. So we went into the hood.
Don't worry, guys. I know y'all in the comments. She right here. She right here. We can put it right back. This is the final touch. When we're done with the car, we'll put that back on after you polish it.
Little hood is dangerous to put up. Pretty clean. Not the cleanest, but
Good old Die Hard.
I mean, we're not going to show you guys on camera, but on the back side, we went in here and this is the relay for the starter. This is the AC, I believe. We swapped them. Still no start. We took the relay out. We used the power probe, and there's signal, so the clutch is good. The clutch signal's good. Everything's good in there. The start is dead, and that thing looks like it's been through.
It's been through
a little war. You got a new battery, which is good. I wanted to actually disconnect it.
The starter's in the best place. So you guys know these vehicles. You know these vehicles. It is right on top of the cradle.
The rotors are brand new. You guys wanna contribute?
6 pistons.
Nice and dirty.
Soldered and drilled.
The rears are better than the front.
Beautiful wheels though. Beautiful wheels. Beautiful wheels.
They're non-existent.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you got talking about the perk though. It's a nice stance. I think the stance is nice like that.
It got suspension work. It has lowering springs, shocks. I don't know what they are in the front, but in the back they're like KWs. They're actually yellow.
They're good brands. Really good brands. Very good brands.
I think they're KWs.
And do you see these tires, ladies and gentlemen?
No, they are Toquitos. I've never
even better.
I don't even know what that is. Toquitos.
With custom exhaust as well. It's fire.
So we're gonna do that.
And honestly, for a Ford, very minimal rust. Very minimal rust.
It doesn't open, so we have to go back.
Besides that part.
The mystery part. We're gonna figure out what the mystery parts are.
Where does this go?
Where does it go?
Whoever gets to write in the comments,
trailer lights.
got something for you.
See what this receipt's about. Napa.
Love
Ford
receipts.
Truck F-250 fuel filter. This is nothing for this car. When is the front actually? I just broke the tail lights. In 2021.
Last time this car was touched. It wasn't driven, but it was touched. Original spare? Original toolkit? That's cute as fuck. Look at that little cover there. That's mad cute.
It's a little cute.
And they got jacket instructions. Cars don't come with that no more.
We're gonna wash her and see how she comes out. Wash the engine bay? Can I wash the engine bay?
No. Do not cause yourself any headaches.
As long as it's running. Then
When it's running, no problem, because it's hot, it'll evaporate. But you can get the best detail, bro. When we finish detailing this car,